asuota no na ede yens aduane eno ankwan ma edi to ka seta no amenji ntum atiefo ne yahwefo eya mosonfo agentfenani obuwe bisa say edanti ana nansen mi twa China na mede China etre Ghana ni abibifo amanyofo ne Ghana mpanyifo say yenhwe so na yensua broni say imitate what is good dia efe na eye kama na ekro na ehye no boni say yenhwe na yensua eninti na menam China mede China abrabo China mpuntuo ebra Ghana say wo ti Ghana na broni abeka to tim say hyehyɛ wadam die wo soro a ene ye obeka achi because broni plan o plan 100 years ahead or plan 100 years ahead eninti no wo ti wona odwen say ni bewu na chinabi ye reincarnation ana nyame bo me foforo me pa ye ne say nyame mfa me nkoto Europe nyame mfa me nkoto ba bi foforo a oboa nyame be sign the water Africa if he said dia oye ni man ye no eho ene wo se nyame ede ne to na won so ba bia o say no nyame sign the water eho a if he said panisa somo hu wo enya akoa eninti opa hyehyɛ oman ni ye hyehyɛ oman ye moma yenhwɛ senaga China asi ayefe afa said China krono esi eshren na obi na kan o se glass nko a the way China krono eshren o hwa o de mitwa mo kakra na wa hwe China said ya abofo no ahyehyɛ omukro uhu a otim say yes aha eya bruchi bibia omoye na ha of high quality high grade and it is a to bibia oko supermarket oko baby crampo na dia omoto oho bia no your grade ewum your first grade second grade third grade and it depends on their water no and e be kire ne papa ti China the bibia e wo ha bia of high quality na the person e kire no say China efe pa China ye ka bruchi a aya amanfo dwen say ye Europe ABS ka ohia wo ha uye business e obenye sika papa say unye business now benenam ha dia ye dia unhu sika ni but say business e over China obo say the whole world no China is the best place to be or is the best place to do business now ohwe say the China for ahyehyɛ oman na say the oman ahyehyɛ oman na wankasa wani ebeje ho say obetu kwan aba China na fato to Ghana hwe hwe ye housing project affordable housing project e wo Ghana krana check it kwa Ghana for efa so ye affordable housing project sika no ye be wie no na akodi ba akofo botom ye be wie no na akodi ba akofo botom ye housing project e betimi take 16 years na ye wie ba ha ye start project a chekra within 3 months 4 months 5 months na project no hu se ni sunsume den e was so this is the best place for you. And this is a very nice place to be. China has done it. And Africa, we can also do it. We can equally do it. Now the whole world is turning up to China. Everybody is coming to China. Everybody is doing business with China. Because they have properly managed their country. They have properly established the country. And it's making the place more attractive for business, for people to visit, for tourism. They don't even throw away their culture. When it is holiday, it is holiday. They do appreciate their Chinese dragon. So when it's the dragon festivity, they don't joke with it. Like we joke with our culture and our festivals in our country. They don't joke with their culture. They don't throw them away. They maintain them because they respect them. That is the soul of the country. The dragon is the soul of the country. So please, if you want to make Ghana the better place on earth, we need to imitate what is good. We have to emulate the good things. You have to learn what is good. When somebody is doing something good, you have to learn. Learn. You don't have to always be complaining and giving excuses. In fact, all our resources, all our monies are being kept in the houses, in the homes of politicians, in the rooms of government appointees and ministers. Recently, you could see, or you could, there has been recent occurrences where Ghanaian politicians are hoarding money in their houses. So if you hoard money in your room, do you think the country will develop? People need money. Businesses need loans to do businesses. to create jobs. So keep those monies in the banks so that the banks can create loans, they can create credit, they can create businesses, they can support businesses so that businesses can expand. They can also employ the youth. And by so doing, we build a better place on earth. We build a better Ghana for ourselves. And if you think we are going to behave like this, 4 years, another government will come. 4 years, another government will come. So we will keep changing the baton. Every 8 years, we keep changing the baton. Ask yourself, after so many years of governance, putting the country into the hands of politicians, how many successes have Ghana been able to achieve? Then, Ghana, you achieve every Ghana resources yenya. And then when we get the resources, you who say Ghana yenya lithium, mika na yokutu. You who say Ghana yenya gold, mika na yokutu. Diamond, mika na yokutu. And when we are going in, we go to move people on the land. We deprive them of their farmlands. We deprive them of their homes. Compensation. What kind of compensation can elevate Ghanaians? None of those compensations have been able to help Ghanaian citizens and put them into better conditions. Africa, we have the resources, we have the gold, we have the diamond, we have the petroleum, we have everything. We can turn Ghana and Africa into a paradise. Look at somebody turning his country into a paradise. Now, what's the Hona Brunia Catcher say? Oh, heaven, can heaven. She said, what them do also. Now, so Jimmy, no niaji. Because you are building. There are a lot of churches or more doctrines, and they plan their things ahead of time. Or no, they are sorry, we'll see hospital, we'll see training college. We'll see teaching hospital. We'll see kindergarten. We'll see all those primary and secondary education. We'll see all forms of tertiary education. And they are also doing business with this. They are making money out of this. No, catch or say, oh, she should them deal also. And to win your scar, they sow seed. And pa now the wealth, or the capital, we seed capital, and pa now I could sow seed. So seed in the way, then unya. There be our so seed. I'm not saying say don't pray or don't give offering. But the best way or a better way to give offering is to go and visit the orphanage, go and visit the poor, go and visit the people in the prison, people in captivity, people in affliction. Go and help the poor, help the needy, help the widow. And I will sow seed into your life. Sow a proper seed into your life, Mr. Who so see that and share obi a wedi kenya bi so for na order limousine mu no no here seed so for na order Land Cruiser mu no here seed so for na ogina kwanche na okra horse or bo ayi onyam kopon asem ho dawu onu mom ene here seed so for na we see mansion na oti mansion mu na chese we see a luxurious church no yes so for no ene here seed. To again and here, and now you're African here. You have to find the best person to offer a seed, the best person to impact people's life, and this is what God is going to use to help you. Nyankopon na nanom twedi ampo kwame pasahia de ni basayia dom Nyankopon obeboa obemo wo fi adum akwadum na obemo wo develop obemo wo hu nhira obemo wo hu yedi abra ukọ ahiafo mmoa abra okọ omo a omuni bi emwa na nya sofo na oba na bodyguards ni police ni military di na chi no enya politician na onu no ohia sponsorship ohia osika se fa boa me na minya power me so ma boa am wanya business no eno emfa nhira ma uwu kra mfa so emma oso ona nanum gunsama for omo friends sama omu gunsa kra osama ndimi appear. Please help the needy, help the poor, help the aged, the people, help the youth, and let's manage our natural resources well. Na yensu yemfa nye bibi, yemfa mobra, yemfa mpeja omano, yemfa nye yehu yie, so that Ghana for you wouldn't have the brain drain. na youth no ewie school anya fe na omo pe abruchi na omo pe obi man so akọ bisa brebi adu no na ahafo no na omo pe kwan atu kwan akọ baby bebre but omo ko no omo ko sua nimdie nyansa e de be chichiro omo man na ene Ghana ni kura akọ abruchi akọ sua nimdie ni nyansa na o de be chichire ni man na akọ sua aman foforo so niema no oba na yenya bagbai tine ayi enentitwafo those people who bring you pull you down. You get people to pull you down. And the cost of Ghana, and the cost of Africa, and the cost of Abibrim. So it's better for us to change as a people. Let's change our attitude. Let's come together and create a better nation for ourselves. Most for Ajin Finani, Mr. O share now share video no. Share now move afro so in your being share the video, please share the video. This is a better place for you. This is the best place for you. China no China eya bruchi ketewesi enye didu owura mesromo China eya bruchi because China eya bruchi agitum if you say China say ye envy China ye nsua de omoye no Bible can say Okwadjofo ko tete anchen sua na kwan na hu nyansa nti wo say ye twa de obi ye ewo ne mamu mpuntu a yekoso mpuntuduma yekoso na fa toto de wo say na wadu wakọ ahe like percentage wise no why develop it then ekoso ewo Ghana then ekoso ewo Bibrem then ekoso Africa. Are we creating the best place for Africans? We have all the natural resources in this world. About 1/3 or 2/3 of the world's natural resources are found in Africa. That is why there's a scramble for Africa. People are just scramble for Africa because they will get what it takes to develop their country. They will get the best from Africa to develop their country. But they in Africa, no, your young cook a business. No be yes, our business in Libya or say or compete me. And I say or bad business in India. So you train and I say send a new business and cost enye, so there will be no competition. And intino or toto papa so no toto papa so or more poor services no more poor services because we need option. This is where we are bringing you close to. This is Africa, bringing you the light of China. Let's learn the light and learn the best from the light so that we can also put on light our candles. We can put on the best for Africa. Mepacho o share no na o share o sonfo agimfinani. Me ma agimfina nti wo politician no ade enchi ma o ma me chop money. On sponsor me. And what you say? And all na be me meduani edi. Ne nti wo nya o man ni ya metimi aka akiro message me nsin aduasam yinu aka akiro. So o man pani o toto papa so na aka extra time na wo change we enya football enya football na we be change in extra time say nipa na eba no nni penalty ball ti wo change mampani buoma ni ye fati na ese nkwan wo hoi eye da tano ese binom nananom asuo tano na ede ye aduane eno ankwan ma edi ti o ka se tano a minji ntum ai minji ntum se nkwan ye da tano ese bi enom because omo ene ede omo chichire ye man nananom ene ede chichire o man no nenso ene ye Independence Day krampo na ye fe nananom kanfo ana nananom aka akanfo ye fe nananom abosomfo ma omo megunsa ba de be fe nkramofo ene Christopher eno ene ma man no esi apini ye man no etiko de chisa no na emom so obepetu media na ochini kwa abosomso na ochini kwa nananom chen na okwa ahemfo chen mungunsa mommo mpaye maye omunya wia na omu afi nananom ene ye nne Mr. Ghana ni Africa yenso ya bibire ya mamre mu ye because oba China wo hwe baabi abo se Chinese dragon omo symbols no e wo ho wo hwe se red here wo machi ya omo colors the dragon colors everything is happening. They appreciate their gods, they appreciate their spirits. Elinti eba holiday a who say krono e moye din wu nhyeda hu nipa bebre obi e kodi 2 weeks 3 weeks holidays because omo Chinese New Year no is in the month of February. Me show mo menhwehwe they say aboatetia yen sua na kwan na yen hu nyansa se ebebre ene Ghana me do ma se me do obi bia se me show se miti obi na so a onfa ncheme mesrew nti obi anaso a onfa ncheme na yese bebia ehia otomfo no esese oboho yi pa ti medamasipi se majebre mo share video no mame agimfinani uko YouTuber ubehu Pemampim TV ho uko YouTuber subscribe Pemampim TV yesan wo Yes TV ye affiliate and also subscribe na share videos ba oba Facebook page na and the hit ye the Ghana mamre ebremo the same time no ye the Ghana politics ebremo Ghana news trending issues and inti mesromo se ka bibi na se ene wadwen amfa yi a mesro ubetimi asende o comment na wa che wadwen se ne be ya yenso ye be ma a very good delivery going forward. Thank you for your time with Pemampim ya kabrese nana achempem nana me no Pemampim ya kabrese me ena efem agimfina agimfina pem sai nana no ya eninti no skese bofo de hye no nana no moja no baba se me beboa amoman no adi nkunim na agina yie medamasipi misi ha echia ahwefo nyina Ghana musom oman efie yie emra